Let's try it.
I'm Megan, and this is my husband, Beau, and our daughter, Beckett. Join us on our journey as we relocate our family to raw land in beautiful northeastern Washington. Watch as we start from scratch and build the life we desire. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Think this is a good idea?
This?
In your mind, that was a good idea?
What? Where did you want me to go?
Down the hallway, back in.
Oh.
Will you go up on that?
Yeah.
Did you get these done?
What?
What in the hell have you been doing?
You didn't tell me those needed done. I was removing rain.
Do I gotta tell you to breathe?
Huh?
Do I gotta tell you to blink your eyes? Do I gotta tell you to swallow your spit? No!
We might get a divorce over this. He's so full of sass today.
I wanna look out that window.
Almost, babe.
Hopefully by Sunday we're looking out.
We're gonna look out the window.
Okay.
What do you think that thing weighs?
I don't know. Probably like 700 pounds. No biggie.
We're super strong. Woo! This is our last blue lamb. We had 7 we have to do. It's our last one. It's a process. Kind of basically had to like undo some framing to put them in. Well, not basically. We absolutely did have to. Which way?
Actually push it through that. Oh! I've got the hiccups! Roll! Flip!
Do you care? You could climb up the framing to look out the window.
Well, yeah, there's all sorts of ways to cheat at life.
I can see our breath now. It's getting cold.
I don't think it's getting cold.
Get it?
Got it.
Good.
Yeah.
Like a glove. Might as well go first.
Let's race.
We only have one drill.
Ready? Set.
That's cheating. I don't have a
I won.
drill. He cheated. He didn't win. Last one. That's as far as we can go tonight, right? So we need those nails.
You can lay out where the things go.
Okay. Chickens have figured out that they can come in the house.
And shit.
And they pooped everywhere the other day.
Oh, good.
I thought I got all the poop cleaned up. And then this morning, I closed one of the man doors and there's a whole pile of poop back there from the chickens. Huh?
Where?
Back behind that door.
They shit in here?
The
They shit in my garage?
Yeah, they did. Here it comes.
God damn it!
Go get her. I call her chicken 1. Oh, there's chicken 2. Very effective.
Oh.
Nothing. Is she in there? Winnie! It's our makeshift chicken keeper hour. Are 40 feet long, so they end up having to span the second story. They're huge, so getting them up on the second story should be interesting. Concrete survived.
Shit, it's a foot thick there.
He's parking the skid steer inside so it's nice and warm for him tomorrow, aren't you?
What?
You're parking the skid steer inside so it's nice and warm in the morning, aren't you? Uh-huh.
And unlike the studs, I actually pulled 16 inches on center for the center of the joist and then offset at 1 inch because it's a 2-inch thick joist. So this is the true edge. Like I showed you before, when I lay out all my framing, I just lay out the center, but on these taller joists, you know, the center can get a little wobbly, so it's good to lay this out. We'll throw a framing square on there and draw our line all the way down, and I'll actually probably put one on this side too, just so we can get our hangers right.
This is what, our sixth day working on the framing?
We're only into it about 2 hours.
Today?
Period.
Oh yeah, we did all the first floor in 2 hours.
All right.
In case you're wondering.
Megan Lee's going to show you how to use a framing square. Let me see.
We're gonna pretend. Do not fall. What are we marking here? What are these?
Eye joists.
Joists. Okay.
Floor joists.
Beau's already measured these out. I'm just marking them, but they need to be 2 inches wide. So then I have to move this over to the 2-inch. Make sure it's level on top so we don't get a crooked line. Boom.
Mark it again.
Which one? This one?
These framing squares, if you use them correctly, are fast. I mean, it saves you so much time versus pulling a tape out, measuring it. And we were discussing earlier, this is 2 inches wide. So yes, you could mark it, kind of mark that side, but when you're marking more than one side on a vertical plane, it's good to keep this on top so you keep it square. So when you try to mark two sides and you have to rotate this way, if that makes sense, this way to get this back side down, sometimes you fall off of the rim joist. So rather than wasting the time trying to get it flat so you can mark both sides, it was just faster to throw it up here, mark that one, move it over 2 inches, mark it again, and move on. That is how you use a framing square.
Look at this nail. Boop, boop. Oh, fudge monkeys. How many things have you put on here today?
What?
How many videos?
One.
I'm gonna need to go reformat the card. I emptied it last night and forgot to reformat it. The card.
There was that one YouTuber that I saw that on the door of his office, it says, "Did you reformat the SD card?"
2x4s are definitely not as comfortable as 2x6s.
I'm trying to find my welding hood.
Yes, there's no toys in there.
I can have two.
Nope, one.
Maybe I was just looking over it. I feel like it was right here.
Well, this is all your welding stuff, isn't it?
Yeah.
3, 2. He's wearing his helmet, his welding helmet, being safe because that thing shoots those nails in there.
Yeah, they make a special tip for guns, or a special gun, I don't know, but it lines up, I'll show you. Basically lines up with these holes, which we don't have it, and I'm not gonna buy it just because we don't have a lot to go. But if you don't hit the nail coming out of the gun into that hole, it goes haywire. So I had one over there that I shot the gun, it hit the side of the bracket and
Launched.
it landed like
Yes.
on the other side of the shop. So I had my welding hood and hard hat from when I used to actually work. So I figured I'd throw that on, at least if it comes out and it'll hit this hard plastic and hopefully deflect. So we're 39, 5, and 3/8.
5 3/8.
5.
He has his earplugs in, which is why he's screaming at me.
3/8.
Do you want him?
One behind us.
Okay. Skip one.
The furthest one.
Okay. What?
Let's just throw that tape over there.
Just toss
Throw it over the wall.
Okay.
Well, yeah, I guess we can.
Do you want to measure the next one? Just to.
39.5.
There's an inch difference between those two?
Yeah.
That's wild.
Put it back over there. Is it hooked on something weird? Is the beam fat right there?
That's what I was just looking at.
Oh no. 39.5. Okay.
I was like, that's an inch difference in 16 inches. That's wild.
No work.
Okay.
Throw it.
Okay, so at this point, you're probably thinking, these two don't know what they're doing. They don't know how to measure. They're getting this all wrong. They've had a measurement for every single thing that they've done, but that's not true. This 100-foot tape has different measurements on it. So I don't know if you can really see that. That's totally normal, right? Well, you flip it over and it's different. It's for landscaping on the outside. And so when we didn't realize this, right? So we're measuring these I-beams and we're getting different measurements each time. And it's because we had the tape flipped over. We eventually figured it out. Don't worry. No wood was wasted in this process, fortunately enough. But if you're going to use a 100-foot tape, make sure you're reading the same side every time.
Beau made a little, what do you call that thing?
It's my little
Template?
jig.
Jig?
So you can buy these. I can't remember what they're called, like a fast joist or something. And they're not terribly expensive. They're like $40. But if you're not building houses all the time, there's no point in buying one. You can just take 2 pieces of plywood. This reveal right here is the distance from the edge of your fence to your saw blade. And you don't even have to make that precise when you build it. You just stick it on there. And your first cut, run it where you don't want to cut, and it'll just cut that perfect. But anyways, after that, you put it on here, and you can use this. You pull your measurement on one side, line it up there. Gives you a perfect cut.
Ta-da!
Dang, I'm smart.
A little eye.
Let's try it.
We're going to attempt to pick this up and put it up there. By hand. Just kidding. We're using the skid steer. Okay, so it's in.
So we only threw 4 up there, 5 including this last one, but I don't have a concealed hanger for them. So we're gonna start on this 4th one, and we'll use the skid steer to get up over the wall, and then we'll just boop, put that one in, boop, boop, boop. That's gonna go just like that. And then we'll have a little platform that we can throw some plywood up there and
Have a little bit of a floor to work on instead of a ladder and scaffolding.
Yeah, so that should work.
It's gonna go so smooth. I can't believe how flexible these things are.
Are you gonna be able to pick it up and put it in there?
I surely hope so.
I'll hold that in so it doesn't fall and you drop it in. Do you have a hammer? See those little tits in there?
These?
Yep. You're gonna have to like slam it down through there.
Okay.
Right.
Quick look down the line.
Hold on, hold on. I am way too short.
Oh shit.
Hold on. Hold on.
I'm like, I don't know, less than half an inch maybe from the wall.
fuck that up.
You brought it closer just now.
Huh?
I'm like almost to the wall.
Yeah, I'm like 3 inches away. That's not good. Luckily, I think we have 1 extra. Let me see where I messed up.
Okay, roof boss. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9,
But
10.
again, I think we can get
11,
a
12,
good chunk of it
13,
done
14.
today.
Yeah, 15, 16, 17,
Or we just shoot
18.
it.
We have like 21, it looks like. 2 down, 21 to go.
Once we get up there though, we can get a little cut station up there. We
Yeah.
can do everything up there. I'll put like 6 of them up there.
At one time.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Okay, it's time for lunch.
We're starving and I don't want to be on that scaffolding and get lightheaded. So we have 4, what are they called? 4 joists up?
Sure.
And now we're going to make a makeshift platform up there so we can work from up there a little bit easier than using the scaffolding and the ladder. So we're gonna open the OSB.
Making a toothpick.
I see that, out of plywood.
OSB.
Delicious and nutritious. Yes, so 4 up, a lot to go. It is like t-shirt weather out here. Hot. I'll take it. Explain how cold it is. But it's colder in the building than it is outside. Plus I want long sleeves on. Because it scratches the crap out of my arms. Oh god. Here's a look out the 2nd floor. Don't mind the stuff's on the windowsill.
Somehow our screen cracked today. That's what that funny line is you're seeing right there. I'll have to take it off.
All right, let's get 3 up, get done
For the evening,
for the evening.
you look so cute with that welding mask.
Yeah, I'm a welder. I can weld anything from the broken heart to the crack of dawn.
I've never seen him weld.
Oh my! Hey, it's gonna be so crazy when we can be this far apart instead of right on top of each other in the camper.
It's not that bad. We're whining.
It's a very precarious spot you're in right there.
We started laying the subflooring on the 2nd floor. We don't have all of our beams in yet because we need these special brackets before we can do the next one. And I don't think we can get them until Thursday, so we're starting on the flooring. So we have 2 done. Working on getting the next ones put out. Until then, we're still halfway hanging over the floor.
Nice work, Mama.
Nails in my foot.
Give me a kiss. Love you.
Do we have enough room to do another one on
Nah, that's good enough for the night.
We could do one more right there.
I'm good.
Okay.
What time is it?
Wine time?
Okay.
5:30.
Yeah, that's good enough. We're set up now.
8-foot floor joists. Guys, those things are rough. They're huge and wobbly. That's it. That's all the big ones.
Well, we'll probably put one along this wall right there.
Along that one or this one? This one?
Yeah, they're basically gotta be right next to each other.
Yeah, on this side? On this side?
On that side of that wall to cap that wall.
Right. And then where did the steel beams go?
It's gonna sit on that wall as well. On your side of the hallway.
Gotcha. Isn't there two of them?
Yeah, one comes out and the other one goes all the way back here.
Oh, okay.